Hey guys, here's my prototype shotgun project. 1 day project. Very easy. Made yesterday, today, 2 days actually. Well, it hasn't got a handle or something. It's just pin, trigger here. It's hidden here somewhere. Mech and barrel. Just pretty easy. Basics. So I actually wanted to add here a handle like here, like on the smash push other shotguns with a pump here around here, so you can pump it and you can shoot it very easily. That would be nice, I think. And just a prototype, so don't get high expectations or something. It's pretty good, but not that good. Like you say, whoa, it's good. Loading is hard if you have only one hand. It's more, I think, a fun gun, not a war gun or something. Yeah, reloading costs some time, and the bullets will, fall out because it's held together with only a green rod that falls out every time. That's pretty annoying. Yeah, it's overall a nice gun. Spread the ammo. That's one of the nicest things of this gun. The ammo is spread all over the room, actually. Well, going to load it for you guys. It's pretty hard. Well, that was pretty easily. The bullet is loaded, you can see it there. Pins back. If I pull my thumb down, trigger will go up and the pin will shoot the ammo.